Are you thinking about moving to Kansas City or making a move within the Kansas City area? Do you want to live in the number 2 best city to buy a house in all of America? Are you looking for a home in the number 1 ranked school district in all of Kansas? Are you looking for that special new homes community? If you said yes to any of those, and if you want to move to the booming area of southern Johnson County and Kansas City on the Kansas side, then you're not going to want to miss my video today because I'm going to take you to Century Farms, which is a new master plan community in South Overland Park, Kansas, and let me tell you, this community has it all. Hi everyone, welcome back to Living in Kansas City. My name is Cheryl McCormick and I'm an agent with the Rob Ellerman team at ReeceNichols Real Estate, which is a number 1 real estate team in all of Kansas City. I am your source for everything real estate in Kansas City, and I have the resources to help you every step of the way. I was born and raised right here in Kansas City, and I've lived here the majority of my life, mostly in suburbs on the Kansas side. I absolutely love Kansas City, which is why I make these videos. I love exploring the newest neighborhoods, and today I'm taking you to a really great one. So let's dive in. First, let's start out with a little background information about Overland Park, Kansas. Overland Park is one of the largest suburbs of Kansas City on the Kansas side, with a population approaching about 200,000 people. Not only is it one of the largest suburbs of Kansas City, but it's also one of the most desirable suburbs of Kansas City as well. Niche.com has ranked Overland Park the number 2 best city to buy a house in America, the number 8 best city to raise a family in America, and the number 9 best city to live in America. And now, guys, we're not just talking about Kansas or Kansas City, but the entire country. And I can attest to how great it is because Overland Park is where my family and I choose to live, and we absolutely love it. Niche.com also says Overland Park is one of the best places to live in Kansas and gives it an overall rating of A+. And the community we're visiting today is served by the award-winning Blue Valley School District. Niche.com ranks the Blue Valley School District the number 1 school district in the entire state of Kansas. The district was also named a top 100 district in the entire nation at number 69. And Century Farms is just down the street from Blue Valley Southwest High School and Aubrey Bend Middle School, which is another reason that it's really highly desirable. Now let's talk about Century Farms. Century Farms opened phase 1 in April of 2019 with the estates and then opened a new section, the ranch, in December of 2019. The ranch offers the best lot prices in southern Overland Park that are in the Blue Valley School District. Century Farms is now currently in phase 4 with larger size lots and plenty of green space. Its newest model homes opened in April of 2023. This community sits on what used to be farmland, and now it's been completely transformed into a luxurious and family-friendly neighborhood. With homes starting around $800,000 and going up to $2+ million, you can find customizable floor plans from 5 of Kansas City's top home builders: James Engel Custom Homes, Willis Custom Homes, Bickamer Construction, SAB Construction, and JFE Construction. Here, you can still find walkout lots backing to green space and also cul-de-sac home sites. But what really sets Century Farms apart are its incredible amenities. This neighborhood not only has beautiful homes, but amenities that are designed to create a sense of community and where you can get to know your neighbors. Century Farms has a resort-style pool complete with a slide that's perfect for summer fun. Then there's also the clubhouse built by Willis Custom Homes, which can host up to 150 people. Inside, you're going to find a cozy stone fireplace, sofas, pub-style tables for events, a fitness center, and even a unique reading loft. And for the kiddos, there's a playground, and for sports lovers, you've got pickleball courts, also with a basketball goal. Plus, one of the more unique amenities that Century Farms has is that it has its own community vegetable garden where residents can rent raised planter beds. How cool is that? This neighborhood really has such a welcoming vibe. It's the perfect place to put down roots and to build connections. Whether you're chatting with neighbors at the community garden, hosting a party at the clubhouse, or just enjoying a peaceful evening around the outdoor fire pit, Century Farms offers a real sense of community. And let's not forget about the large grass practice field, perfect for pickup soccer, football, or baseball games, for flying a kite, or just letting the kids run around. We all know that location is so important when choosing your home, and Century Farms has a great one. It's conveniently located at 167th and Quivira Road in southern Overland Park. You're just a 30-minute drive to downtown Kansas City and 34 minutes to the plaza. Plus, the award-winning Blue Valley School District serves this area, including the new Aspen Grove Elementary School, Aubrey Bend Middle School, and Blue Valley Southwest High School, which are located just down the street. You're also close to Heritage Park, the Overland Park Arboretum, and the brand new first of its kind Blue Hawk development that has shopping, restaurants, and the Advent Health Sports Park, the largest sports park and entertainment arena in the entire Midwest. In fact, Blue Hawk is so special that I made an entire video just about this truly unique and special area. Be sure to check it out. And if you make Century Farms your home, you're just a few minutes away. The location of Century Farms really offers the best of both worlds, both a peaceful suburban living lifestyle with all of the desired conveniences close by. So now let's go take a drive through this spectacular neighborhood. Thanks for exploring Century Farms with me today. This neighborhood offers a rare mix of luxury, community, and convenience. And with spacious, well priced lots, top tier amenities, and a prime Overland Park location, it's no wonder Century Farms is one of the hottest neighborhoods in Johnson County. So, whether you're looking to build your custom dream home or you just want to move into a stunning spec home, Century Farms has options that appeal to everyone. If you would like more information about Century Farms or any other community in the Kansas City area, I would love to help. I would love to help you find your perfect home in your perfect neighborhood at your perfect price point. So, whether you're planning to move in 9 days or 90 days, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a Zoom call. All of my information is in the description so that I can help you make your move to Kansas City or within the Kansas City area a smooth and easy one. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more facts about places you might call home and for exclusive community tours and real estate insights about communities in Kansas City suburbs, including Overland Park, Lenexa, Spring Hill, Prairie Village, Leawood, Olathe, DeSoto, Shawnee, and Lewisburg. And please leave a comment, as your comments help me create content that is useful to you, and I promise that I read and respond to each and every one. So until next time, this is Cheryl McCormick from Living in Kansas City signing off. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video.